of reuse, reduce and recycle. Children, do you like to eat ice creams? I love to eat ice creams. But after having the ice creams, what do you do? Do you throw away the ice cream stick? Yes, but today I am going to show you a creative way how you can reuse the ice cream stick to make something useful. Children, in another video, I had showed you how to make a cycle using some ice cream sticks and old CDs. In the similar way, I am going to show you something creative with the ice cream sticks. So, over here I have got some ice cream sticks, some colors, paper cups and marker. So first, I am going to take some ice cream sticks and color them or paint them with 4 different colors in the pairs of 3 and then I'll stick them. See children, now I have colored the ice cream sticks with the red, green, blue and orange color and few I haven't colored. Now I am going to apply some glue and stick them next to each other like this. I am going to stick next to each other and for better support I will also apply some tape at the back. So see children, I have stuck the ice cream sticks with the tape and the Fevicol. Now I am going to stick the other ice cream sticks like this in the pairs of 2. I am going to apply some double-sided tape over here and I am going to stick it like this. I will make one more like this. Again I am taking one ice cream stick, sticking the tape and the other ice cream stick over here. Now the other 2 ice cream stick we are going to make it like this. So we are going to apply the double-sided tape here and stick it like this. Now to assemble them we are going to stick the ice cream sticks in the vertical manner. Now I am going to apply the tapes on both the sides to stick them vertically. Applying the tape on this side and the other side like this. Now we are going to stick this colored ice cream sticks with the help of double-sided tape like this. We are going to stick it one after the other. First I stuck the orange, next I am sticking the blue one. Children, you can write a beautiful message and give this to someone. They will really love it. Like this. And last one, that is the red color. We'll stick the last one over here. Now, see, this is how it looks. Over here, you can write a beautiful message. You can write whatever you want to, but I am writing, love you mom. We all love our moms, isn't it? So, you can write the message over here. You can also make this as a nameplate. You can write home sweet home, love you daddy, happy birthday mom, or anything you want to. Over here I have written love you mom. Now to decorate it more, I am going to take this paper cup. I am going to paint this with any color that you want. I am painting it with the orange color. So see, I have colored this with the orange color. Now applying some double-sided tape, I am going to stick this over here in the bottom like this. Now to decorate it more, over here I have got some beautiful flowers. So applying some double-sided tape, I am going to stick the flowers. You can decorate it with whatever you have. You can stick sequins, you can stick flowers, anything of your choice. Like this, I have stuck all the flowers. And now I am going to add some flowers in this bucket also. Like this. See, it is looking so beautiful. So children, you can also make this using your ice cream stick. Instead of throwing them, try making something like this. You can use it as a wall hanging, or you can also give this as a gift to someone. For more such useful crafts, you can check out our 3